Welcome back to Monara's Marketing. Today we're going to try and incorporate something a little bit different into our content. We typically do SEO/digital marketing advice, but today we're going to throw in a use case just for anyone working in the legal industry or other, law firms, lawyers, attorneys, things of that nature can understand our past experience with legal professionals and also what avenues we took that worked best for us in marketing strategies. So this is our team. We have our social media marketing manager, Josie, and then I handle a lot of the web development, AI development, and SEO. And then Kylan, he's our content creator. He goes back and forth between helping Josie and me. So our overview of today for all of our use cases, we're going to go over issues, solutions, their budget, results, and things that we've learned throughout the process that we've worked with, or the time frame that we worked with them. So the biggest issues that we had with this law firm who came to us about, building a website, creating content, all these other things. They had a very outdated website. They had little to no content when it came to blogs or, any type of substance to their web pages. They also had a lack of local SEO and online reputation management, and then they were wasting a ton of money on CPC budgeting. This is cost per click budgeting. If you guys aren't familiar with that, it's typically what Google Ads puts up at the very top of search results. It'll be like a little banner. So solutions, for the multi-page website, we added, a page for each lawyer that they had working there. We had a page for each practice, that they kind of different practices. Some people will do divorce lawyers, but they also do like child custody and all these other things. This one specifically was a business litigation lawyer. So we had various things, tied into that umbrella. We also did some pages. All of our pages were built off of a well SEO'd structured outline. When it came to content strategy, we used multiple posts per week on websites and GMBs. We scheduled for fresh photos and video shoots routinely. This could be a quarterly thing. It could also be every 6 months. It could also be, if you have someone on your team who is willing to take videos, pictures, whatever, and can send it to us, and then we can just combine that in with our content. With local SEO, we focused on Google My Business creation, completing that all the way, filling it all the way out. You have to make sure that all of your name, address, phone, make sure that those three things are consistent across all your listings, all your directories. So if it's South, or, instead of South Street or South whatever street, if it's S period something, you have to make sure that it's that way on every single directory that you have. For some reason, search engines will see you as untrustworthy if you have inconsistent information, which who wouldn't? If you have a phone number over here that's completely different from your website's phone number, then that's obviously an issue. Another big thing about our local SEO services is we focus on timely responses across all directory listings. So this is Q&As. This is, people reaching out via the comments section. So different things like that. And then when it came to an SEO focused website, this helped reduce our CPC spending by a ton. They didn't even actually have to do any more cost per click or any of those paid campaign ads. They just completely got rid of it, and their website was SEO'd well enough that they could just rank on their own. So this is kind of the budget that they had. They were paying us initially $750 a month for SEO services. Eventually, we put in enough work and got it jump started, and we bumped that down to $650. We'll probably bump them down further to $500, just to save them money, and it saves time on our end as well. So they've been saving $1,600 a month on cost per click savings. This is money that they haven't been having to pour into that fund. And then their overall website cost was $2,200. Again, this is a multi-page website. There's videos that they had incorporated as the background. They had a lot of different edits and different adjustments that we had to make throughout the process. Here's the results, ranking results, the differences, and you can see where there's a lot of red on orange on the left side versus the right hand side, which is primarily yellow and green. So they were ranking for in the top 10 positions for 13 keywords in the first 4 months that we were working with them. Within 6 months, we increased their web traffic by 273%. We also improved their trust and authority with customers by providing valuable content and helping, answer questions when questions or customers are trying to interact with you. So, some big things that we learned when it came to doing SEO for a law firm is technical SEO is severely neglected and this goes for any client that we get. Typically, a lot of people neglect the metadata and meta descriptions, alt text, all these things that are essentially how computers and search engines assess a web page and can understand what it means. Um, So we can ensure, fast loading times, aim for anything under 2.5 seconds. This means we're optimizing images, we're optimizing videos, we're compressing things. So that just gets the page to load faster. We also implemented a mobile friendly design so that it works better on people's phones. Before it was kind of ugly when you put it on your phone, wasn't quite the same. We used proper site structure and navigation in order to make it more user friendly and easy, for users to navigate and find what they're looking for. We focused on schema workup for rich snippets and kind of, give it a better um, give search engines a better understanding of what this web page is doing, what this piece of content is for. We focused on keyword research and optimization, so we conducted a very thorough keyword research focusing on geotagged and practice areas specific keywords. That's where these pages kind of came in, the practice focus pages. We also incorporated keywords strategically in the content, titles, headings, metadata, meta descriptions, all those other good things. When it came to local SEO, we optimized for local search queries such as best lawyer, and you want to go by with whatever city you're in. For them, we did it for their city, obviously. You want to claim and optimize your Google business profiles, obtain citations from, legal directories and other local business listings. So if you're a plumber and stuff like that, you might go to Angie's List and whatever else. But for people in the, legal sector of everything, they probably want to go advertise with another well-known legal resource. With local citations, we listed our law firm on all the legal directories we could find. We maintain consistent information. That's another thing that I said was very, very important. So make sure that you do that. So the return on investment in traffic, it was about average 3-year return on investment on SEO for law firms. These are not statistics we found with just our client. This is overall findings for various law firms. This is just pulled from Perplexity AI and some other resources that give you really good data and statistics. So budgeting and spending, you guys could spend, save a lot less or a lot more money. When it comes to average annual SEO spending for law firms, it's typically $120,000 a year. 65% of law firms focus more on their budget of online marketing versus, in person or sales. 72% of attorneys actively utilize social media platforms. So that's kind of, the other 30%, or well, I guess 28, are a little, behind, but I'm sure they're doing something. And then law firms can expect an average conversion rate of anywhere from around 4% leads generated through organic social media efforts. Combined with SEO, that just, it starts significantly increasing the amount of leads. All right, and my email is on the screen. I will leave a link in the description to my website below. If you guys need anything else, go ahead and leave a comment. Thanks.